here is how to edit a pin on Pinterest. So let's say you have a pin and you want to edit it. So what we are going to do is we're first going to go to our profile with our boards and our pins. To do that, on the bottom right hand side, I'm going to click on my profile image. This will lead me to my personal profile page. From there, I'm going to click on a board. So I'm going to click on Beauty in the upper right hand corner here. And I'm going to click on whatever pin I would like to edit. So we'll click on this pin right here. So there is a very easy way to do this. How I like doing this is you're going to press and hold on the image and you're going to see these little bubbles pop up. From there, I'm going to go to the middle bubble. It is 3 in or 3 out on either side with this little pencil. It says edit. I'm going to click on that. From there, that is going to let me edit this pin.